Okay, make me a protein shake right after the gym with this new Ninja portable cordless blender. About 60 bucks on Amazon. If you're lucky, I may put the link up. Definitely if you subscribe and put the like button. So first, I'm gonna start off with this almond breeze milk. A little bit. About that. Then I guess we can throw in the protein powder. This is some Swig protein powder. I do about one full and a half scoops. We'll throw a little more in there. Okay, we got that out the way. Just a really quick shake, real easy. Throw some oats. This is my mass builder smoothie. A tablespoon of oats or so, not that much. Got your banana. Break that up in there. I should have put the peanut butter in there too first. Better mix. So, however much peanut butter you want, I do like a tablespoon. That's why I should have put the peanut butter in first. Well, not first, but before that banana. Put the rest in there. One whole banana. I'm looking for banana chips or banana freeze-dried bananas. A little better. Okay, we got the protein shake with the almond milk, protein, oats, banana, and peanut butter. All we need now is ice. A little bit of ice. Chopped ice. You can add a little more if you need to after it's blended. Because as you see, I kind of overpacked this shit. Screw it on. Now, this thing blinks when it's fully charged. Well, actually, when it's solid, it's fully charged. So basically, it was almost charged, but press it, hold it for 30 or less, and there we go. It's a pretty powerful blender for being battery powered. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more almond milk, just a little bit. I think we're done. Pop that cap. So usually after the gym I get one of these, but I used to pay $8. Went from $6 a shake, and you get way more when you do it at your own house. Went from $6 to $8. And as you know, if you go 5 times a week, that's like over 40 bucks, a little bit over 40 bucks a week. So that's like more than your gym membership monthly. So just buy one of these for 60 bucks or less. Ninja is a good brand on Amazon. And then your little ingredients. 10 pounds of protein. I got the extra, but I bought 10 pounds of this protein Swig for 100 bucks. So all in all, it'll pay for itself. That's it. Like and subscribe.